What the heck is up, my Atlanteans? For today's video, I have something extra special to open up with y'all. For today's video, I will be opening up doll numero uno from the Barbie Extra line. These dolls came out in fall last year. Ooh, wow. And this line has sparked quite a bit of controversy with its quality control and the overall look and quality of the toy in its entirety. So looking at the doll, as you can see, she is a beautiful AA doll. You can see everything that she's gonna be wearing except the one that I got. You can't really see because her coat is covering it. Her coat of many colors looks like it's gonna be this thick faux fur type of material. I can already see that she has some extra braids going down from her afro puffs. I think that's what they call it. And I can see that she has a pair of sunglasses happening in the back there. And she's got a cute little puppy pet. And what's actually hectic as well is that the pet has a little purse in its artwork. The purse that actually comes with the toy seems to be quite big compared to what it is in the artwork. And she also comes with a set of 3 different bows. I don't know how that's gonna work. I don't know if it's supposed to go with the doll or for the dog. I'm just very confused in general. So you can see it's a very colorful toy. It's a very colorful box. Her artwork, I will say, is very nice. It's very cute. It's very Barbie. And it looks like on the top here, I guess this is a sticker. And from what I've heard, these are removable. But if I remove it, I don't know what I do with it. So I think I'm just gonna leave it on for now. And then if we flip it onto the back here, you can see all of her pieces and her entire outfit. It says Barbie Extra on top, and then on the side here it says 15 styling pieces. I guess that's all the pieces that it comes with. Oh, it looks like the sunglasses that are on the dog, you can remove them. And on the bottom here, you can see the 2 other girls that are gonna be in the series. Though there are another 2 that don't seem to be even referenced on this box. So everyone, I have been waiting for this moment. Let's open her up. On the back here, it looks like there is a perforation happening around the box. So I'm gonna take my pair of scissors and I guess I'm just gonna carve around it and try to get her out this way. So I don't know if it's just my lack of experience opening up a Barbie doll, but this is a lot of effort. I mean, MGA has a thick amount of packaging also, but this is just like a lot of effort. Oh my gosh, so here she is. So let's take a look at her while she's still wrapped up. She is absolutely gorgeous. It doesn't look like that there's any pixelating happening on her face. Now we can finally, ooh. Right, so let's not look too close before we take her out. So here she is completely taken out of the box with all of the things that she comes with around her. So first things first, let's talk about this beautiful doll here. To be honest, I know that my channel is like mainly MGA, so to my MGA fans, they may feel a little offended, but to be honest, this feels really good. Like, she feels like a sturdy doll, and like she's completely articulated, but all of her joints aren't like too loose. It's not too rickety, you know. She did have a lot of little tabby tabs kind of stuck around her to keep all of her parts together, but it did keep her completely safe, and she looks amazing outside of the box with everything taken off of her. I'm not planning on keeping her outside of the jacket, so I will say yes, it is 2 separate pieces, the jacket and the shirt. She's gonna be wearing a little gold chain necklace. Her makeup is so pretty. It's so much prettier than I expected. She has a very, very extra outfit, so it's nice to see that her makeup is just some gold, just a little gold. Fits perfect with her jewelry. She's got a giant like jelly ring, I guess that's what you could call it. It's kind of see-through. It's like a little diamond. She does have two, I guess, braided tendrils coming out of her afro puffs. Speaking of, her hair is so cute. I mean, it's not the type of like MGA curly hair, so that's something that I wasn't expecting in the first place. But to be honest, it does feel really nice. It does give a really good illusion of like really thick kinky curls kind of just coming out of her head, and she is so cute. I love this hairstyle. This was a good choice in my opinion. And she's wearing a red two-piece outfit. It looks like the shirt is gonna be a t-shirt. Actually, let's take her jacket off to see. Yeah, so it looks like her jacket is gonna be made completely separate. Looks like the inside is actually lined here, which is really cool. We don't ever get to see that with Barbies nowadays. And then looking at the doll here, it does look like her two-piece outfit is going to be a long sleeve shirt and just a pair of shorts here. The bands on both the top and the bottoms, it says love, and it goes all the way around the back too. So good job, Mattel. Look at you. Holding her, she is very reminiscent of like the original fashionistas, if you guys remember those. I think she's even articulated kind of like that, save for the like the movable body, but yeah, she just really feels like an old fashionista doll, and I love that. It's a very basic amount of articulation and an amount of movement, but it's still like perfect, you know? So aside from the doll, she does come with a few accessories. She comes with a pair of circle sunnies that say shine bright on the top of them, a little cloud handbag. I love how it's like a cloud and then the like clasp thingy is in the shape of a lightning bolt. I think that works really well. And her pet here, if you can tell me what the point of this is, can you please tell me? I think it's cute that she comes with a little pet. I'm just not sure why. And as I said before, the little pupper comes with a super tiny boob bag with a little bow on top. And actually I was very confused and I thought that these were bows, but I guess they're gonna be little bones that can fit inside of the purse. The purse does open. Wow. And you can fit all three of those bones inside. All right. And the puppy is wearing a pair of yellow shades, and it's said that this is supposed to be swappable with the doll, and it is removable. However, as I was playing around with it a little bit, it doesn't look like that these can really fit onto the doll's head. But I mean, I guess you can shove it into like her little hair puffs. But she's got little bows on both sides of her head, and she's wearing like little pink stilettos, and genuinely I think that is really, really cute. So here is Barbie, all dressed up with all of her little pieces. The shine bright glasses are a little tacky, but you know what? If this is what you want to wear, you want to wear it. And I really do commend Mattel for going for it. I also really, really love how the shoes are this glittery silver kind of plastic, and how she's wearing socks. I think that fits really well with the vibe that we're kind of going for. Now talking about the controversy. I actually do love this doll, but most of the controversy was that it seemed like Mattel was kind of copying MGA. I mean, to be honest, like, yeah, like this is pretty uncanny how similar they seem to be. But also, so what? If Mattel and Barbie wants to bring up the quality on their dolls, I think why not? Like, that is an amazing thing that they should be doing. With the fashionistas that are coming out, they're all like almost less than mediocre. So I really appreciate how Mattel is at least trying to bring out some pretty good dolls. The quality on this doll is pretty good, to be honest. I like how she comes with like little extra pieces that I guess you don't think that you'd really need, but she doesn't come with a hairbrush though. So if that's something that bothers you, please be wary of that. Not like you can really brush your hair anyway. And I like how simple she is, like with the amount of stuff that she comes with. There's not a lot of waste. The one thing that I do have a little, not an issue with, but one thing that I do question a little bit is the choice of outfit. I mean, as I said, if you want to wear this kind of thing, I genuinely think, yes, do you. Let's hang out. Like, I love that. Anyone with a unique style and unique personality, like, I really appreciate it. But I don't know. I don't know. She just looks kind of, Mattel, please don't hurt me. She looks kind of cheap. I mean, like, of course, I really appreciate the amount of work and effort that they put into these dolls, and like, I genuinely do love this doll. It's just like, she kind of looks not great at first glance, but taking her out of the box and like playing around with her for a little bit, she is super cute, and I genuinely love her. Like, I really do love her. So yeah, everyone, that's everything for this video today. I hope you guys liked it. Please let me know what you think of her in the comments below. I hope Mattel brings out more of these. I think it's cool how Mattel is, as I keep saying, I feel like I'm a broken record. I appreciate how Mattel is bringing out more quality dolls and like giving us some good content. I just think maybe do some more research on the influencers that you're kind of looking at, maybe. Not saying that it's bad, I just think that there are some styles that I think we should and or should not bring to the doll world. Overall, I do really love her, and I am actually thinking about getting the other two, maybe the other two, but for now I think she is going to be a very cute addition to my collection. I do recommend picking her up for anyone that's starting out their fashion doll collection. I think that she's really cute, and I think that she's really pretty. Why not? And of course, I love how we're getting some diversity into our doll lines. She's got her super cute afro puffs, and I love her chocolate dark brown skin. That is definitely really nice to see here. I hope you guys have a really great day. I hope everyone had a really great New Year's. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want. And I'll see y'all on the flip side. Bye-bye. Update. So I think I kind of understand the tiny purse now. The tiny purse is supposed to be like the purse that Lizzo brought to some red carpet event. And the tiny purse here is going to be holding the dog treats. So I think I get it, and I think that's really cute, and I am gonna keep this tiny purse on her because I think that it really suits her. That's all.